Guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, kindly do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. This week's video is all about organization. One of my friends asked if I could come and organize her pantry. She has been having such a busy schedule, and I am so sure most of you know her maybe from Instagram and YouTube. Maybe she can say a quick hi to you guys. Hi Yvonne.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, it feels so good to be on this side. I was actually behind the camera.
I know, right? You
Yeah.
can maybe say a thing or two to my people.
Okay. So hey everyone, it feels so good to be. I don't think I've ever been on another channel. If I have, it's like years back. So this feels new and fresh, and I love it. Anyway, so hi guys, my name is Yvonne Candy, and I run a YouTube channel under Yvonne Candy, an Instagram page under YV Candy, and an interior design company under YK Homes. So yeah, I'm an interior designer.
A lot of things.
A lot of things, the hustle. So yeah, anyway, I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to have you.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, I'm happy to have you visit. She's actually a very close friend of mine. We've known each other for years.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've had a crazy busy schedule, and to be honest, I haven't had time to make my home look like my clients' houses, especially like my pantry is so disorganized right now.
But
Yeah,
okay.
You're gonna sort it, right?
Yeah.
I know, it's how you said it is. It's actually very disorganized. If your followers have watched my pantry makeover, like how they left it, it's not looking
It's
like
not
that
the
right
same.
now. It's not the same.
Also, there are some stuff that have expired.
Yes, things are happening. So I mean, I think for me, I'm so excited, and I can see what you're doing even with this page. You're so good at it, and I believe even your followers know that. Like, you're so good when it comes to organizing and cleaning, and I can't wait to see how you get to grow this brand, because I feel like you should. She's so good at
Yes,
it.
we
So yeah, me, I have so much faith in you, and I'm happy that today is my rest day. So I'm happy that I'll not be organizing the pantry myself, and you'll be sorting that out for me. So I mean, let's do it, and thank you for allowing me to say hi to your people.
And Yvonne, thank you for letting me do this. I really appreciate it. So guys, let's get into the video.
Yay, let's do it.
Yes. So guys, in this first part of the process, I'm starting off with the essentials, that is clearing off the shelves. This step is actually crucial because it allows me to thoroughly clean and dust every surface, ensuring a fresh start for our makeover. Next, I'll be carefully cleaning all the storage jars, and guys, it is actually so amazing how a little bit of sparkle can transform a space. So I'll start by taking out everything from the shelves. This will enable me to carefully sort out the items and group them accordingly for easy access. This way, I will also be able to get rid of the condiments that might have expired. And my intention really is to group the items according to their purpose. For instance, those for breakfast, spices, and also the extra shopping. I intend to designate every item and foodstuff to their respective storage jars and baskets. So I'm like, I know that the video might have been short, but I enjoyed doing this so much. I am so happy that when I left my client's place, she was so thrilled for the outcome. We, however, need to change the stickers for the jars. The ones that we really need are out of stock from where I inquired from, but once they are in stock, I'll go for them so that at least the jars can have identical labels. For now, we are so happy with the outcome, and actually, guys, I started a new Instagram page where I'll be posting everything organization. Kindly go check it out and hit that follow button. I'm open for booking, by the way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it.